Okay, the latest thing I've done to the model railway is I've put a siding in here. I've put a point in there, just where the bends start, and I've put a siding in here, because all that was there before, as you've seen by the videos, is a signal box. So what I had to do was I had to redo the concrete, do a new concrete base. It's not quite finished yet, there's going to be some more greenery in there. Now, strictly speaking, the water tower should be there, but it's a model railway. I want to see it. Most of the time I'm sitting looking at it, not walking around it, so I wanted something that I can see. So I've done this, so if I want to move engines out of the siding next door and bring another engine out, then I can do it, and I'll demonstrate. Right, I'm going to demonstrate why I've put that siding at the far end. We've got woodcock here. I'll use woodcock as an example. So I'll bring woodcock out. Bring it round. Change the point. Take it along the track. Put it in the siding. Just easy, close the point, and that way I've got nothing going to woodcock. Now I'll liven up the track where the other loco is, and I bring it out. So therefore, if I want to run that, I haven't got to mess around with woodcock, take it off the track, take it to the far end of the circuit where the station is, and it gives just a little bit of extra flexibility. But it also allows you to move things around as well. So if I put this back, in its shunting yard, and what I can do, so I can bring this loco out without any issues at all, and I can change the point, and I can put it back, and I can leave that in front of the other engine, which is pretty cool. Then I've got that isolated there because there's nothing in there. I can bring out woodcock, obviously change the point back, bring it round, change the points there, and I can put woodcock in the siding where the other loco was, out of the dust. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. And obviously something else I can do. I mean, it's all, I can bring out the other loco that's sitting there. The Jubilee class. Move that around. Put it in the siding, close the point, then can alter that, bring out this loco, change the point back, and I can put this one deep in the bowels of the engine shed. Then I can change that point, can bring out the Jubilee class again, close the point, reverse the Jubilee class back, and as you can see, it just gives me that flexibility really. And I can have the Jubilee class sitting there, which I think is pretty good. I mean, even here, I can bring out the warship. Alter the points. Take the warship back. Put the warship in over here. Close the point. Then I can open this up and I can bring out tank locomotive. I'll run that round should I wish to. Which is pretty cool. So it just gives me that little bit of flexibility around that part of the station yard. Put that back. Simple stuff. Bring out the warship, which incidentally is a fantastic loco. Bring it back. Change the point. And there we go. Put the warship back. So on the whole, I'm pleased with that. It doesn't detract from the layout. It was just a signal box there. I haven't taken away anything to do anything else, but it's given me something useful. And remember, my view, a model railway is to play with. What looks good, centre spread of railway model of Hornby magazine, might look fantastic in pictures, but you soon get bored of it. Same with Model Railway Challenge, fantastic show, I enjoy watching it, but how many times are you going to want to watch a laser? My view, I just want something that's run and I haven't got to keep lifting trains off the track all the time. Thanks for watching.